Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have your image and layer ready. Begin by making the selection you want to resize. Use rectangle, ellipse, or free select for precise edges, or enter quick mask, Shift plus Q, to paint a custom shape. Once done, switch to the Scale tool via Tools Transform Tools Scale, or press Shift plus T to speed things up. Make sure the correct layer or selection channel is active so your transform applies only to the intended pixels. This keeps edges intact and avoids accidental layer shifts. Now control how you resize. Click a corner handle and drag, hold Shift to maintain aspect ratio and Control to scale from the center. In the tool options, enter width and height numerically or type percentages like 50% to get exact sizing. Pay attention to the chain icon. Link dimensions preserve proportion. Also choose interpolation, none for pixel art sharpness, cubic for smooth photographic results. Once you're satisfied with the preview, confirm by pressing Scale to apply the transform. After scaling, always confirm the action and then anchor any floating selection or rasterize if your selection became a floating layer. If the result looks jagged or blurred, undo and try a higher quality interpolation setting or apply a small feather before scaling to smooth edges. If the selection shifted relative to the image, recreate it quickly with Select from Path or use the Align tool to reposition the layer precisely. These checks prevent artifacts and keep your composition intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.